So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is another perfect day today here in Pennsylvania. Now tomorrow, they're calling for 1 to 2 inches of rain. We haven't had rain for quite some time. We actually need it, but not that much. I think it's the remnants of that hurricane that's hitting Florida. But anyway, this afternoon, I was taking advantage of the nice weather and sawing some more of this white pine. I'm going to take this up to the building and stack and sticker it this evening up there. I'm trying to get as much done with the mill as I can because I need to move it by Tuesday, Wednesday next week. They came the other day and staked out the building down here. Well, it's just going to be a big pavilion, 32 by 48. This is a corner right here. You can see another corner over there, way down there by the land plane, and on the other side of the sawmill down there. So I need to move the mill. I need to do just a little bit of grading, but not much. That corner down there on the low side, it drops off quite a bit right down there at the very end, about 18 inches. But that's no big deal. We can take care of that. It says right here on the ground, open. This whole end right here will be open for the sawmill. Well, that sawmill may be in here for a little bit, but there will be a new one coming. I did get an update the other day. I don't think it'll be too much longer on the new sawmill. It's an LT50. Same old story, those supply chain issues. It has the Yanmar diesel on it, and I think they're waiting for a radiator for it. It's hard to believe. Just there's certain little key components in pretty much everything that you buy anymore that's hard to get. But it sounds like it'll be coming pretty soon. The building here should be done probably by, I don't know, they'll have 3 or 4 days in it, and it will be up. But anyway, this video is not about sawmills or sawing lumber or anything like that. It's about what is going to replace the MX5400 tractor. If you saw that video the other day, you know that we entered into another partnership with Kubota. We had a 2-year deal with them and it expired, and we just signed another deal with them, and we replaced the BX23S with a very nice LX tractor with a cab. Now that one, we'll use it around here quite a bit, but primarily that tractor will be used a lot down on the West Virginia property. I can haul it down there. It's got a snowblower, grapple, brush hog, a few other attachments. It'll be great to take care of that property and do some improvements down there. But today's video, we're going to talk about the MX5400. So like I said, I've used this tractor quite a bit over the last 2 years. I put a little over 400 hours on it. I use the forks on it quite often. The grapple, I carry logs out of the woods with it, skid logs out of the wood, brush hog, snow removal, land plane, spreading stone. I have used this a lot, and it has been trouble-free since the day that I got it, and it's been a great tractor. It really is. I don't even think I put a scratch on it in 2 years. I really don't. The only place I see anything is right here. I might have caught the K right here with a branch or something, but I don't even think I put a scratch on it in 2 years. Hard to believe. But anyway, we're going to take this up to the house right now, and we'll show you what is replacing it. I brought a basket of firewood up, actually bundle firewood. Figure if it's raining tomorrow, we can do that inside the building. But this will be the last time, well, this video will be the last that you see of this MX5400. Now we're going to introduce you to what's replacing it. Here comes Melissa in the new one. Another MX5400. So I was just telling everyone we are replacing the MX5400 with another MX5400. And you know what? It's exactly what I wanted. The 5400 has been absolutely perfect for what we do around here. It carries heavy thing. It's comfortable. I just really like the tractor. And so I decided to go with another one exactly like it. The only difference that this one has that I can tell so far is this one has an upgraded seat in it.
Yeah, I noticed getting into it. There's definitely a new seat upgrade.
Yeah, that is a premium seat right there.
Woo.
Yeah, it's nice. It's It's perfect. Like I said, it's exactly what we need. And I don't like to change things that work for me. You know what I mean? Like this shirt, for example. I love this shirt. How many of these do I have, Melissa?
Like 3.
I got 3 of the same shirt because I find something that works for me and I stick with it. And I'm pretty excited about the MX5400. So yeah, it's got, you know, heat, AC, tilt steering wheel.
Tilt steering wheel. Tilted that up. This is the true farmer right here. This brings back memories.
Back on your grandma's farm.
That's right.
You worked in that farm quite a bit, didn't you?
I did. I loved it. Yeah.
Baling hay.
Yeah. And all the animals they had.
Yeah. That's what we need, Melissa. We need some animals around here. Besides,
Yeah, guess who's requesting animals?
I know who. Tell them.
Daughter Eva. Remember she did a video a little while ago about survival items for her school?
Yeah, now she wants a cow and a pig and a goat.
She does. What was it she asked you? A pig, a goat, a cow?
Cow and a horse.
And a horse.
I said, we'll have to make some pasture, Eva, because we got all the woods.
You know what? Let's do it because I much would rather her do this as her future.
Yeah.
Than, you know?
I know.
She's applied to like 7 colleges, heard back from 5, accepted to all 5. She's has yet to hear from another 2. But we're trying to talk her out of that and point her in the direction of a trade. And I think farming would be perfect for daughter Eva.
And she could work for us and do whatever. Yeah, we're kind of getting off subject here, but it's important. It is. So I don't know how many of you have kids in high school and preparing to go to college. Eva's not 100% sure what she wants to do. And to say we're trying to talk her out of college is probably true. It really is. And years ago, that might have been a bad thing. And I don't have anything against college at all. But Eva's very personable. She's a go-getter. She has common sense. And I think she could do whatever she wanted. And until she decides exactly what she wants to do, I'd just rather see her not go. What do you think, Melissa?
Yeah, and she likes fitness, so...
She coaches at a gym already.
Yeah, she has that desire, but maybe take some local community courses on business.
Yeah.
At one of the local community colleges. Get
Open
some
a
businesses,
gym.
and she could open a gym or open her own business of any sort. Like
So-
Mike said, she's personable, she's very organized, she's very driven, self-motivated, so...
What we're hoping for here is Eva reads a lot of the comments and that you guys agree with us and leave a bunch of comments saying that's probably a good idea. But I just think college, I don't know, there's a lot of fluff and a lot of nonsense for, you know, if you're going to be a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer or a nurse or something like that.
You need that.
Absolutely. You know what I mean? But there's just all these, I'm not going to get into it, but we'll see.
Yeah, but you know what? There's a lot to do here that she's already learned most of the trade. You know, Eva's one of our kids that we could fall off the earth today and she would keep on going.
Everything would just...
She has a vision.
She said she wanted a pig. She could be a pig farmer, chicken farmer, whatever.
Yeah.
No, but there's a lot of different things she can do. So, but anyway, back to the topic of the tractor. So there you have it. So all the attachments I had for the other MX5400 obviously will fit on this. It's all plumbed for the third function, so the grapple will work on it. We'll be good to go. Has the industrial tires. It's a pretty tractor. That orange is a great color, huh, Melissa?
I do like the orange.
Our videos are almost always in order, but we're a little out of order right now. Like yesterday, we were down in West Virginia, and you're gonna see that video after today's. But Melissa and I were down there working on the driveway for where the cabin's gonna go and the actual location for the cabin. But we had a real productive day down there.
Good day.
And I checked some trail cameras that I hadn't checked for a while. And boy, we saw one beautiful buck. Now I know, you know, there's bigger ones out there, but this thing is just about perfect. And he looked like he came off of a old Field and Stream magazine or something.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Then we saw some more doe kicking the crap out of one another. But yeah, it was a good trip down there. But right now, I think I'm going to head out to the mini cabin. The rut is definitely on around here. It's warm today, but I was out and about and I saw a couple buck, you know, just walking through people's yards and things. So they're definitely chasing. Might be a good evening to sit in a mini cabin. But do you have anything you'd like to add, Melissa?
Go to Outdoors with the Morgans, click shop, and you can get our calendar. It's a really nice calendar. Got pictures of all of us in it. I think you'll love it. Once again, that's outdoorswiththemorgans.com. You can click shop and get yourself a calendar.
Eva just pulled in. We should
Yeah.
speak of the devil, as they say.
Interview Eva.
So Eva just got home from school. Tell her what we were talking about, Melissa.
Talking about being productive, the new Kubota tractors, and Eva's future. All of that goes together.
How many
so
schools have
nicely.
you been accepted to so far? 5?
Yeah, 5 probably.
But you're not sure what you want to do yet.
Not too sure.
I told him today you text me you wanted a pig and a goat and stuff.
I do.
Which comes in nicely. It's smooth sailing here. Everything we got going on. We have the tractors. You can do all the farming. You can
Yeah,
put up some fencing, do some pasture. Right, Mike?
yeah, I'm all for it.
I want them as house pets though. Like a little pig and a little goat
Yeah,
in
no,
the house.
no,
How about we build a barn and you can go live in it?
yeah. So how is school, being your senior year and all?
It's a lot of work. I
Yeah.
thought senior year was supposed to be like a blow-off year. It's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
No, not at all. But
Great.
it's all right.
The first 9 weeks just ended and report cards just came out.
Straight A's?
Always.
All A's, not always, but all A's.
I said always.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, so Eva's, she's got a lot of the Hannah student in her. They are just self-driven, self-motivated, do their homework. I don't have to ask, projects, everything. And she even checks the grades and lets us know because
Yeah,
we're the
she
parents.
literally comes and shows
We get
them
down to that last kid and we're like, oh, wait, we're supposed to check the report card.
Well, do you want to wrap this video up for me, Eva?
As always, if you enjoyed, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, turn post notifications on.
Wow.
Maybe drop a follow on Instagram and Facebook.
Ooh, and go to outdoorswithmorgans.com and get a calendar.